One more thing to consider is your windshield. If your windshield is chipped or cracked, make sure that that gets dealt with before the winter hits. It's a very important thing for your visibility and for your safety. A few other things to consider. Make sure you have all the proper tools in your vehicle. So a snow brush, of course, but make sure you've also got an emergency kit in there should something unfortunate happen. And if something unfortunate happens, you want to make sure that you've got somebody that you can call. So make sure you've got some kind of a roadside assistance package. Did you know that Honda offers roadside assistance? It's available for a very nominal cost. Let us know and we'll give you all the details. One final bonus tip. Pick up a bottle of Lock De Icer. Squirt that in the door locks once a month to make sure that they are free of any impediment so you can get in and out of your car. Folks, we're here to help. You can do some of this stuff yourself. We're happy to help with the stuff you can't. T&T Honda, steering you straight. Take care, everyone.